We have created this video specifically to please you and to give you a moment of relaxation from the pressures of life. Enjoy it and take a break from the stresses of life, as life is too short to be sad. Think the perfect job doesn't exist. This woman disagrees. I bet you've never seen how ship propellers are cleaned. And they do it beautifully. It is unbelievable. How did he make such a wonderful drawing on clay? Someone help me. Look away from this cement being leveled. The printing factory. Handyman works more smoothly than a robot. Speedy weaving technique is simply amazing. This guy is the reason it's called fast food. Who knew that firefighter training could be so mesmerizing? Or are they just fighting a dragon? And this is just so relaxing. A real master of his craft can even handle a mile of dough. Do you know what can be done with 3 kilograms clay? This woman sure does. The sound of floor leveling is like therapy. I guess it's time to add a ketchup filling competition to the Olympics. This packer has even better car laying skills than an experienced dealer. It's amazing how accurately this woman draws these. Check out how they make a stone wall without using stones. A new pipe laying method allows these craftsmen to lay an entire pipeline in just a few days. Here's the same technology, but on a smaller scale. Watch this quick method for unloading boxes off a truck. And here's what a low processing looks like. Just listen to this. Sometimes professional drillers can be mistaken for rock climbers. This isn't a worker, but an artist. The way he skillfully cuts up this huge fish is fascinating. This worker knows how to quickly and skillfully paint dishes. Here's how concrete piles are made before someone's new house is put on them. I'm always so shocked at the complex shapes pro glass blowers can make. Such an unusual foundation requires a lot of effort, but these craftsmen laid it out like a piece of paper. It's about to get hot in here, because this is stainless steel being treated.